Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here is my tour and review of a Promenade Balcony Cabin aboard the MSC World America. As I first entered this cabin, it was very inviting and the decoration gave it a warm feel. These MSC towels were great and they came in handy during our port at Ocean Cay. I sailed on the World America during its third sailing, so this cabin still had that brand new smell. Directly across from the bed, you'll find a 42-inch flat screen TV. I thought this desk provided a good amount of space and various types of outlets to charge all of your devices. Be sure to speak with your room attendant if you need ice. You will find a hairdryer in the top drawer and a safe in the middle one. This was a great place to safe keep some exclusive coins. The ottoman and tray table both can be pulled out for use. The items in the minibar are not included and they do come at an upcharge. I really enjoyed the layout and the overall feel in this cabin. You can capture your outfit of the day in this full-length mirror. If you're enjoying this cabin tour, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more content on the World America coming soon. I found this bed to be extremely comfortable and it provided some great night sleeps during my 7-day sailing on the World America. This cabin had a good amount of storage and closet space. The bathroom was pretty standard from what you come to expect from a cruise cabin, but overall, I found this area to be comfortable and accommodating. You can use the clothesline to dry your pool or beach clothes. The hand-pumped soap was one of my favorite features of this cabin. Now, let's step outside to the balcony. This isn't your typical balcony you'll find on an MSC ship. On the World America, these promenade balconies look inside the interior of the ship over the World Promenade. With so much to see, let's step down and take a look. The World Promenade is filled with shops, eateries, entertainment, and plenty of places to relax. Have you sailed on the World America? If so, drop a comment below of your favorite place on the World Promenade. Thanks for watching.